Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I was filming some other videos and I was looking at it and I wondered and I wasn't quite sure, but then I saw this number a day or so after, and I don't know, just kind of blew me away. So our channel has now passed 20,000 views. I I guess the number just kind of surprised me. So I've kind of been looking at this channel different of what it's doing for me, what it's doing for you, and what it means to me, and I think what it means to you guys. So just kind of want to turn this into be able to document this too. So I just wanted to take a quick second today, break up the lesson, and just tell you guys thank you so much. I know there are other channels that are much bigger, but this is all ours, and that 20,000 times a video has been watched. So I don't know. Still shocks me every day. I know we're a month or so away from 2 years, but the growth is just becoming. It's almost exponential. It's very close to an exponential number. I think we had when was it? Let's see. I don't know if I even showed you guys this, but I had a new max of watch time of 7 hours and 38 minutes. So, and I think today, or yesterday, will be a new max. It hasn't come out yet, but I don't know. Every day that goes by, I'm still blown away that more and more people are watching, because it's because of you guys, the views, the comments, the likes, all of those make a difference. They really do. You guys are asking me really good questions, but just wanted to take a minute today and just tell you guys thank you. 20,000 views, so blown away. So thanks again. Hope you guys are having a good day today, and we'll get back to it tomorrow, and we'll just keep moving. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.